Hello students, we were doing our chapter Heron's formula and today I will discuss question number 6 and 7 of your exercise 12.2 that is based on applications of Heron's formula. So our question number 6 is an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Students, in the question, this is given that an umbrella is made by 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. It means 5 triangular pieces are of one color and 5 triangular pieces are of other color. Okay, and each triangular piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter, and we have to find how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. It means firstly we will find area of one triangular piece, and after finding area of one triangular piece we will find area of 5 triangular piece, because there are 10 triangular pieces, 5 of one color and 5 of other color, and we have to find how much cloth of each color. It means we have to find 5 area of 5 triangular pieces. Okay, because there are two different colors. For each triangular piece, A is given 20 centimeter, B is 15 centimeter, as 3 is 50 centimeter. So for Heron's formula, firstly we will find S, and S is semi-parameter. So S is equals to 20 plus 50 plus 50 upon 2, and that is equals to 60 centimeter. Okay students, now area of each triangular piece, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, square root of 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50 centimeter square. When we solve it, we get 60 into 40 into 10 into 10 centimeter square. Friends, when we multiply 60, 40, 10 and 10, then we get that is equals to 2,40,000, square root of 2,40,000 centimeter square, and 2,40,000 can be written in the multiplication of 6 and 40,000. Okay, so square root of 6 and 40,000, because we can find square root of 40,000 easily, that is equals to 200. Okay, so 200 square root of 6 centimeter square. This is area of each triangular piece. It means 200 square root of 6 centimeter square cloth is required for one piece, and we have to find cloth for 5 pieces, since there are 5 triangular pieces made of two different cloths. Area of each cloth, because there are 5 triangular piece of each color. Okay, so area of each cloth is equals to 5 into 200 into square root of 6 centimeter square, and when we multiply 5 by 200, then we get 1000 square root of 6 centimeter square. Okay students, so this is your area of each cloth required. Now we will discuss question number 7. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side it's 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Friends, this is a kite. This figure is given in the question, and you have to find area of each shape. We have to find area of first shape, second shape and third shape. It is given that third shape is an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and each equal side is 6 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter, and this is a square and these are diagonals of this square, and it is given that diagonal is equals to 32 centimeter, and we have to find area of first side, second side and third side. So for third side we will use Heron's formula, and for area of first shade and second shade, firstly we know that we know that when diagonals are given of a square, then area of a square is equals to 1 by 2 diagonal square. Okay, firstly we will find area of this whole square, and after finding area of this whole square we know that this part is equals to this part, so we will divide that area into two parts. So area of a square is equals to 1 by 2 diagonal square, and diagonal is given 32 centimeter. So area of given kite is 1 by 2 32 centimeter whole square, and that is equals to 512 centimeter square. And area of first shade is equals to area of second shade, because this is a diagonal of this triangle and it divides this square into two equal parts. So area of first shade equals to area of second shade. So area of each shade will be equals to 512 upon 2 centimeter square, that is equals to 256 centimeter square. So area of first shade is equals to 256 centimeter square, and area of second shade is equals to 256 centimeter square. Firstly we will find area of this whole square with the formula 1 by 2 diagonal square. Diagonal is given 32, then we find 512 centimeter square. So area of this side equals to area of this side, because this is a diagonal of a square, and this diagonal divides this square into two equal parts. Now we will find area of its base, and this is a isosceles triangle, and its sides are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then we use Heron's formula. A is equals to 6 centimeter, B is equals to 6 centimeter and C is equals to 8 centimeter. So firstly we will find S semi-parameter. So S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. That is equals to 6 plus 6 plus 8 upon 2. And when you solve it, you get 10 centimeter. It means S is equals to 10 centimeter. By Heron's formula, area of triangle. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area of third triangle is equals to square root of 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8 centimeter square. And we will get square root of 10 into 4 into 4 into 2 centimeter square. Okay students, we can write 10 as the multiplication of 2 and 5, because we will find its square root of easily, and if we can make a pair of 2, then we can write 10 as 2 into 5, 4 into 4 into 2 centimeter square. So square root of 2 into 2 is 2, square root of 4 into 4 is 4, so 2 into 4 is equals to 8, and square root of 5 is square root 5. So area of third triangle is equals to 8 square root 5 centimeter square, and when you solve it you get 8 into 2.24 centimeter square, and that is equals to 17.92 centimeter square. Students, you can get this square root from here easily. Firstly you have to multiply all these quantities, 10 into 4 into 4 into 2, then you get its square root, that will be also equals to 17.92 centimeter square. So area of paper required for third triangle is third shape is equals to 17.92 centimeter square. Okay students, so how we find area of each shade? Firstly we will find area of this square, then area of first shade equals to area of second shade, and we will find area of third shade by Heron's formula. Okay students, now you can do this exercise easily. 2 questions are left. You can do those questions easily by Heron's formula, and if you face any problem then you can tell me.